Guys, today we are at Absolute Barbecue and it's one of the nascent branch located at Baguihati, just opposite to VIP Big Bazaar. And by the way, this is Debojyoti and you are already watching my vlogs. If you are new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you never miss another update from this channel. And now that all the formalities has been done, what are you waiting for? Come, let's eat. These are few funny quotes which has been made by Absolute Barbecue. These are the overall starters. Over here we have mustard prawn kebabs, followed by fish kebab and chicken kasturi methi kebab, I assume, followed by corn on the cob and tomato. We have paneer kebab, and this one is the mushroom, and obviously the pineapple kebab. And over here we have mutton methi sheikh kebab, and this is chicken tengri kebab. Oils to spray on these kebabs when it gets dry, and the oils also impart an extra kick of flavors in it. And these are the few dips, one being the mustardy mayonnaise, one being the pudina, and one being the tangy tamarind chutney. First, let me give this tengri kebab a try. The size is humongous, I must say. একটা ভার্জিন একটা ব্লু লেবু. These are the two types of mocktails which I have ordered. One being the virgin mojito and one is the lychee flavored blue lagoon. Now this is something unique, lychee flavored blue lagoon. Let me give this a try at first. It's very refreshing and has a very unique flavor profile. As I was saying, the chicken tengri kebab was very juicy, spicy, and it has got the perfect marination and is superb. Over here we have mutton sheikh kebab. It's juicy, and the combination of herbs and spices they have used is really awesome. These are the two types of oils, and in case your kebabs become a bit dry, spray a bit on top of this. As you can see, it's intensifying the smoky flavor and aroma. That should be enough. Over here we have a spicy chutney. This one is the mustardy mayonnaise, and over here we have the mint chutney. These are the prawns. The prawns itself are so flavorful that I didn't have to take this kind of dips or mayonnaise. This is the fish tikka. Fish ajwaini, sorry. This is the fish ajwaini kebab. It's very soft, murg tikka kebabs. Surprisingly, this one tastes really delicious. কারণ এটা প্রনসের থেকেও অনেক বেটার খেতে লাগছে. ফার্স্ট টাইম কোনো চিকেন আইটেম প্রনসের থেকে বেটার খেতে লাগছে. নেক্সট আপ উই হ্যাভ দ্য পাইনঅ্যাপল কাবাব. It's heavenly delicious. That's all I can say. দারুণ খেতে. It's a bit sweet, a bit sour, tangy, spicy, all at the same time. Followed by the corn on the cob. and I think this is potato, I guess. আলু আমি কোনোদিনই খেতে ভালোবাসতাম না. It's decent if not excellent. Followed by the paneer kebab. It's awesome. The combination of spices they have used is something unique. And as a non-vegetarian, I am still gorging on this vegetarian kebabs. You can understand that how delicious it is. Over here we have crispy sweet corn fries, and it's one of my favorite items in any barbecue restaurants. Wow. এটা আমি যত খুশি খেতে পারবো. And followed by this virgin mojito, কারণ এত কাবাব খেয়ে প্যালেটটা ক্লিনস করা খুব দরকার. ইটস ভেরি রিফ্রেশ. পানিপুরি, এটা একটু অন্য ধরনের, আলুর ওপর কী সব ঝুড়ি ভাজা ফাজা দেওয়া রয়েছে. এগুলো সুজির আছে and বেশ ভালো ইউনিক খেতে লাগছে. The overall buffet section. This is the salad section, and over here we have doi bora. The presentation looks very tempting. This is raita. We have tomato, cucumber, onions, carrots, and we have a bean sprout salad, followed by a pickled kashumri salad. And this is something white sauce kind of salad. Another, the same salad, bean sprout. You can see a watermelon has been carved in the shape of a flower. So is this cantaloupe melon. And this one is another watermelon. Presentation is truly awesome. Over here we have few baked papads. This is the international cuisine section, and you get exotic meats. Over here we have quail meat, followed by rabbit, duck, octopus and squid. Over here chicken barbecue, fish barbecue, and these are the different types of assortments required to cook all these exotic meats. And we have few items for the vegetarian patrons also. We have mushroom, paneer, olive, sweet corn. এটা কি জার্কিনস নাকি গরকিনস, জুকিনি জানতাম, and that's one is zucchini, but এটা আমি first time দেখলাম. And a few other purple cabbages and all other different stuffs. Over here we have few Indian street foods, and to begin with we have golgappa, papri chaat, pani puri, dahi puri, red white sauce pasta. These are the egg balls. You also have the option of pizza and keema pao. And this is the special section of handi mutton and Basanti Polao. Over here we have Basanti Polao. It's garnished with pomegranate seeds, cashews and raisins, and is having a yellow color due to the use of saffron, followed by handi mutton, spicy concoction. Truly awesome. This is the handi mutton and the very famous Basanti Polao. Okay, so let's go. I am literally pumped up to try this Basanti Polao. It has got exotic Indian spices like nutmeg, javitri, cashew, raisins, cloves and what not, along with spicy handi mutton. ফাটাফাটি খেতে. And this is the handi mutton. কতটা সফট দেখুন, হাত দিয়ে একটু প্রেসার দিলেই খুলে যাচ্ছে. অপূর্ব, স্বর্গ স্বর্গ. ইটস হেভেনলি ডিলিশিয়াস. অ্যান্ড বাসন্তী পোলাওয়ের সাথে খেলে পুরো আলাদা লেভেলের. ভেজ স্যুপ, I think this is tomato sharba along with bread croutons, and for the non-veg we have chicken manchao soup. We have plain rice, and there is nothing much to say about this, followed by absolute barbecue special dal, having a very nice aroma of methi leaves. In the vegetarian section we have karai paneer, super spicy concoctions having a very nice aroma of dry red chilies, followed by jhinge aloo posto, a nice creamy poppy seed paste curry, followed by dal tadka. Over here we have chanar kofta, And over here we have a greenish Thai veg curry. It's a very good option for all the vegetarian patrons, but আমি তো এইসব খেতে এখানে আসিনি, ভালো জিনিসগুলোই খাবো। And over here we have noodles, veg mixed veg noodles. Veg noodles এর আবার mix কি হবে, মানে veg noodles, that's it. And over here we have jeera peas pulao. It has got tons of cashews, raisins and green peas along with fried onions. It not only looks really tempting but also is having a very mouth-watering aroma. Badminton paper and all those prickles and stuffs, and this is the papaya chutney and it's a must try. The non-veg section begins with Kolkata chicken biryani. The biryani is having a very nice aroma and I literally can't resist myself to try it. We have rui macher jhal. These are chili chicken. Over here we have mixed fried rice. It has got tons of fried eggs, shrimps and chicken. Absolute barbecue special butter chicken. It's having a very nice aroma of methi leaves. Truly awesome. Basically this is the ice cream and dessert section. Fresh jalebis are made in front of your eyes. Live action. Live jalebi counter over here and he flips the jalebis. Over here we have one type of cake. I assume it's carrot cakes, followed by chocolate brownies, followed by lobongo lotikas, another type of cake, and I assume it's pistachio cakes or pumpkin cakes might be. These are chocolate ball shots, and we have also hot angura gulab jamuns over here. The dessert section. Over here we have pineapple upside cakes, followed by a pastry. This is the chocolate one. Firni. These are few American cheesecakes. These cheesecakes looks kinda cute. I hope they will taste also really nice. And over here we have firni. Over here you have few jelly shots. I don't know who eats all these things. এত ভালো ভালো জিনিস থাকতে jelly shots কে খায় ভাই? And I don't know এটা কি, এখানে নাম দেওয়া নেই। ব্যাপক ফুড ব্লগার, আমি এই জিনিসটা কি বুঝতেই পারছি না। কমেন্ট ডাউন বিলো ইফ ইউ নো। একটা মিন্ট লিফ দেওয়া রয়েছে, একটু দু একটা বেদানা অ্যান্ড ক্রিম অ্যান্ড কি থলথল করছে, জেলি কাস্টার্ড কাইন্ড অফ, অ্যান্ড তলায় ফ্রুটস দিয়ে একটা বানানো রয়েছে। ওভারঅল দেখতে ভালো, খেতে কেমন আই ডোন্ট নো, আই হ্যাভ টু সি। Guys, punch shot ice cream is being made. Thanks for making me a part of your day. So if you have enjoyed this video for whatsoever reason, consider hitting the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you never miss another update from this channel, because it helps the channel to grow more.